See, there's something under here.
That's a woodpecker in the tree.
It's under here.
No, it's not.
I swear it is.
The woodpecker in the tree.
It's freaky. I want to go down there.
I wouldn't. It's called a snake.
Your face is a snake. Yeah, I'm videotaping.
That is a woodpecker.
That is not a woodpecker.
Yes, it is.
I'm about to climb that ladder right there. Who's going in?
No, I'm not.
Why not?
I'm not getting bitten by a snake.
Gather around the campfire and sing our campfire song.
RCAMPFIRESONG
Song!
Are you going, Alyssa? I'll videotape. Or are you videotaping while you're going down there?
You're such a duck.
Shut up! We can lift this up and make you a bigger hole.
I don't think you can.
If your phone falls down there,
I'm gonna scream my head off.
and then you'll actually have to
Then you won't have a head.
Okay, ready? We've got to videotape this because I'm going to lift this thing up. Ready?
Oh,
Ready,
shit.
guys? Hey, guys. That's really heavy.
I wouldn't do it. You thought you were falling, didn't you? Thought you were falling, didn't you?
Yay!
I'm really just recording to see how much time we have left on this video. I'm probably going to delete this anyways. I have dirt in my pockets.
Really?
I wonder why.
That's awesome.
I don't know why I have dirt in my pockets. I wasn't in the ground at all. I about fell.
Hey, guys.
Boogity boogity.
Look,